Welcome back. If you want to build real profitable apps this year, hit that subscribe button and like this video so we can keep doing these breakdowns. Look, if you want to make money as a developer in 2026, stop building complicated apps nobody asked for. Today, I'm going to show you the exact API setup that actually generates income. You don't need a massive team, and you don't need venture capital. You just need to connect a few simple tools to solve a painful problem. The absolute best, most straightforward setup right now uses just 3 core components. First, you need a fast framework to build your interface and handle your backend logic in one place. Nextjs is perfect for this. It allows you to build a clean, single-page dashboard where your users will actually interact with your tool, while safely hiding your API keys in the backend routes. Second, you need the intelligence engine. This is where you plug in an AI API. Depending on what you are building, this could be OpenAI, XAI for fast processing, or ElevenLabs for audio. The secret here is that you aren't selling the AI itself, you are selling the outcome. For example, a user pastes in a messy, hour-long meeting transcript. Your Nextjs app sends it to the AI API, which instantly formats it into a clean, ready-to-send executive summary. The API call costs you a few pennies, but the hour of time you just saved that manager is worth a $20 monthly subscription. You buy API access wholesale, and you sell the finished result at retail. Third, and most importantly, you need the money layer. This is how you actually get paid. Do not overcomplicate this. Drop in a payment API to handle the checkout, taxes, and subscriptions. Lemon Squeezy is incredible for this, especially for software and digital products. You simply gate your Nextjs tool behind a Lemon Squeezy checkout. The customer pays, the webhook fires to update your database, and they instantly get access to your AI tool. That is the entire business model. Next.js for the app, an AI API to do the heavy lifting, and Lemon Squeezy to collect the cash. You find a niche, like podcasters, real estate agents, or e-commerce owners. You find a repetitive, boring task they hate doing. You build a one-page dashboard that connects these 3 APIs to automate it. Map out a manual process and ask yourself, can I connect an API to do this? Build the seed system, plug in the payment gateway, and let the code run your business. Stop treating APIs as just developer plumbing and start treating them as building blocks for your income. If this breakdown helped change how you look at building projects, drop a like on the video and make sure you're subscribed. I'll be doing a full technical walkthrough on this exact Nextjs and API stack soon, so turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Let me know in the comments what niche you're going to target first, and I'll see you in the next one.